this video, I will show you how to transfer calls in WhatsApp between devices. So for that, simply open up your WhatsApp app. From here, go to any contact where you want to call. From here, instead of clicking on this call icon or video call icon, click on this three lines menu bar in the top right corner. From here, click on send call link. Here you can decide whether you want a video call or audio call. After that, you can turn require approval to join, or you can simply let it turned off. Then click on send. Once you do that, you can join the call from your whatever device first of all you created the call link from. And while you're in that call, you can use your mobile phone or any other devices to join the same call link again, and you will be able to join the same call link without it hanging off from another device at the same time. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.